Hello everyone, this is Joshua. Now I'm going to teach you how to solve Codesignal's problem, shape area. Because everyone knows to solve the shape area, it's all fun and hysteria. I think I made this joke in the previous video, except I solved it in Python. Here I'll be solving it in Java. I don't know what Java version this is, but I don't think it should matter for now. Now, the problem is below we will define an n-interesting polygon. Your task is to find the area of a polygon for a given n. Okay, so for one interesting polygon, a one-sided polygon, it's a side of length 1, okay. It's going to be an area of 1. Now for the n interesting polygon, you just obtain whatever is the n minus 1 interesting polygon and you append it to the nth polygon. And then you repeat this pattern for 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So alright, if you guys want to solve this on your own, guys, I'll include the link to this problem's description below. Otherwise, you can find it in Codesignal's arcade. Hopefully it stays there by the time you view this video. Otherwise, let's begin. So the first thing I want to do before solving a problem is I want to solve this problem via, first I want to have an idea. There's a pattern to this one. So n equals 1 is 1, n equals 2 is about 5. Now, another clue from this description I just spotted is that it's based on also not only the nth polygon, whatever n is, but it's also based on what n minus 1 is. And when you think about it, let's just break it down. For 1, since it takes the n minus 1, it makes sense for it to be 0 plus 1. Because n equals 0 would be 0. Now if I continue this pattern, you can see right here, okay, so now you can see there's a pattern right here. That this is the n minus 1 squared, and this is like the n squareds. So what I can really do is just return this directly. Return. Now I would use the math library. This gives you an example how to solve it. And you can find out, you could tell that the issue, I could tell you there's an issue using this function, but I'll let you guys think about it while I input these values. So I'm going to put n minus 1, and I want it squared, and I want to use another one for just n. All right, now if you run this, do you think it will pass perfectly? You could guess that it's a no. And what is that reason why? It says there's a conversion issue, that it's returning a double instead of an int. As you can see, the problem is asking specifically for an int. Why is that? Well, let's take a look at this closely. At the math library, when you use this PAL, it's returning a double. We don't want to return a double. We want to return an int. So what we can do is I'm going to enclose these in parentheses, and I'm going to say that I'll specify this to cast it as an int. And let's see if this works now. All right, it passed. Well, guys, if you find a better solution, please post below and like and subscribe if you like this sort of content. Suggest me a bigger challenge if you can. And if you do like my content, I will give you a Pikachu right at your doorstep. Every day you wake up, a Pikachu will charge your alarm, charge your iPhone, charge your Android, iOS devices, and whatever. And oh my gosh, you just saved your electric bill, especially if you're just a college student just graduating from a liberal arts degree. Just kidding. Alright guys, well, oh my goodness, silly me. I have to hit the submit button. Hopefully it passes. If not, well, this would be awkward. Hooray! Okay guys, well, I'll see you next time. Stay healthy and stay safe.